In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your billing address on Bank of America. Keeping your billing address up to date is important not just for receiving statements and correspondence, but also for maintaining security and avoiding any disruptions in service. It's a fairly straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Bank of America account. So, start by opening your browser and navigating to the Bank of America homepage. Once you're there, enter your user ID and password and click Login. If you have extra security measures set up, such as two-factor authentication, you might need to complete those steps as well. This ensures that your account is protected against unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, look for the Profile Settings option. This is typically found in the top right corner of the homepage after logging in. Hover over or click on this menu and you should see various options related to your account management. It's crucial to know how to navigate this section because it's where you can make various changes to your account settings, like updating contact information and managing your preferences. Now, find the option to update your address. This might be listed as personal information or have a similar name. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can edit your address details. Make sure you input your new address accurately, including the street address, city, state, and zip code. Double check everything before proceeding, as mistakes can cause delays or issues with receiving your mail and important notifications. After you've entered your new address, the next step is to confirm the change. Look for a button or a link that says Save or Update Information and click on it. Bank of America might ask you to review your changes once more to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied that the information is accurate, go ahead and submit your updates. You'll typically receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that the changes have been successfully made. It might also confirm that you'll receive an email notification confirming the update. Keep an eye on your inbox just to make sure everything has gone through. If you don't receive a confirmation email, it might be worth rechecking your account settings or contacting customer support to ensure your address has been updated properly. And there you have it, your billing address is now updated. Remember, keeping your information current helps avoid any unexpected issues, especially when it comes to your financial statements and communication from the bank. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay secure and see you in the next video.